Hi guys, today we're making delicious croissant. To make croissant, we need flour.
Okay, how much flour? 2.5 cups of flour.
And oil.
How much oil? 1/4 cup of oil.
And sugar.
2 tablespoons sugar. What is this?
And yeast.
2 teaspoons yeast.
Uh-huh.
You can't see
Sugar.
anything. Salt. Half teaspoon salt. And how much milk?
Milk.
3/4 cup of warm milk. All right, you want to mix all the dry ingredients first?
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
Put all the ingredients in the flour.
Okay.
Like that. That's like that.
Sugar, salt.
And oil.
Not yet. The dry ingredients first. Yeast. Instant yeast, right? We're using instant yeast.
Yeah.
All right, mix.
Okay. It's more fast now. Ah.
Like always, right? You spill.
Ah. Dirty.
What are you adding now? Oil?
Yeah.
Okay.
Milk? Oh, I can do milk now.
It's warm milk, right?
Oh.
Oh. Mix.
Milk? Oh, also. I feel yum. Yes.
You can, why don't you put one hand so you can hold the bowl?
Ah. Oh my god. Nice. Oh. Oh my god. It's slow.
Oh my God. Stop making mess for me. Stop it. Be careful. Stop spilling. Okay, how are you doing with your dough?
Good.
Good, and you made a big mess too. Look at all of that. Okay, your dough is almost ready. Make sure. Can you use your hands? Stop doing that. Use your hand. Now mix it.
Like that?
Yeah. Yes.
Ah. Oh.
Mix it, yeah.
Like that?
You know how to do it. You have done it so many times.
Many time? Oh no.
Okay, you transfer the dough into another bowl. What are we doing now?
Putting this in the one
Okay, why don't we
hour.
put some oil here? Rub it.
Rub it?
Yeah, just like that. And now what are we doing? What are we doing, Musa?
Put the dough in 1 hour in the
On the counter. In the warm place, right?
yeah.
Okay, let's cover it and leave it for an hour. Okay?
Yeah. Okay guys, now it's ready.
The dough was resting for an hour, so it's ready. Now you want to place it on your mat. Good job. Okay, Musa, are you ready to cut the dough? You want me to help you in this part? All right, now you want to spread the butter?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. This, you're gonna go around. Oh, be careful. Let me show you. Yeah, spread it all around. Okay, one is ready. Now keep going. Good job, good job. You're going to put it on top of that one.
Yeah.
Butter side up.
I'm gonna do this one.
Okay, now keep rolling all of them. We need all of them, and then they will go on top of these ones. Okay. One, Musa. Let's place it on top of this one.
Like zero butter?
No, we are going to add butter now.
Oh. There's zero butter now. No.
Why don't you do it?
Oh,
You're rolling it?
what the?
You're rolling some?
What? How did? Something pink. Well, I just feel it. I feel the butter. I just heard. Look. This
It's
whole.
okay, it's pockets. It's air pocket. All right,
Yeah.
is that your last one, Musa?
Yeah.
Okay, place it on top.
Ah!
How many layers do we have? It's okay. It's good.
Oh.
It's okay, it's just butter.
Alright.
Okay, the last one you didn't add butter, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how many layers? Can you count?
Wait.
Can you count how many?
One. I don't want the butter. 2 and 3. This one's stuck. This one's sticky.
It's okay.
3, 4. Oh, this one's sticky too.
8 layers, I think.
3, 4, 5. 5.
No, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I can make it and press.
All right. So now what we are going to do? We are going to put it. We are going to put it in the freezer for
No.
20 minutes. Okay? Because otherwise the butter is going to be melted. And if you want crispy layers, then we need to put it in the freezer.
In the freezer, we're gonna roll this.
Okay. So we removed it from the freezer. It was there for 20 minutes, and now you're going to roll it.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Like this?
Yep.
Ooh, sticky. Like this, right?
Yep. Okay. Go ahead. Cut it. Cut it, Musa. Okay. Good job. Let me help you now.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the other one here. It looks like a pizza now.
Yeah. Triangles, right?
It looks like a flower.
It looks like a what?
A flower.
Flower? Okay. Now we need to start rolling again, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you do it tight. Yeah.
I did it.
Good. Okay, Musa, last step is that you're going to brush it with milk. Because they're eggless, right? So we are not putting any egg. We're just going to brush it with milk.
Gimme.
Here, you do it. Now,
Yeah. Putting this in the oven.
For how long? For how long?
For 20 seconds.
20 seconds? No.
Yeah.
15 to 20 minutes. Okay? 15 to 20 minutes.
But this has to lie.
Okay, on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's put it in the oven, Musa, now.
And the croissant is ready.
So let's eat it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna choose this one.
I'm gonna choose this one. Oh, this one. Okay.
How is it?
Good.
Let's see from inside. A lot of layers. Okay.
Very good.